Welcome back to this channel, guys. I'm going to try a little prank on moy&matt and Maya. We are hiking today. I went to the bank this morning and I draw some money and I forgot to take them out of my pocket. I'm still having in a jacket pocket here, so I'm going to pretend as if someone lost 20 euro in the bush, just to see, just to get their reaction. Come on, let's go. I'm gonna try to prank Matthew. At times I find money on the ground. That's the perfect moment. I have 20 euro in my hand. I can dash upon the ground from the boat and pretend like I find my final answer. It's the perfect moment.
Non, je veux un petit
peu. Ah, do you mind if we look with champagne also? Maybe you have champagne here.
Non.
Bomba, look here. Wow.
Tu vois? Tu vois, regarde.
Non, non.
Tu marches dans la colline. Peut-être tu le montres pas ça.
C'est à moi, c'est à moi.
Non, c'est à nous ça. Oh. Fais voir s'il n'y en a pas plus.
Ah.
Il n'y a pas des champignons là. Ah, attends.
Oh, give me my money.
Je l'ai vu avant toi.
Non, 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 Mathieu.
Il y a des déclosants, mais c'est le déclosant.
Pareil, moi je l'ai vu.
Ah, là, on a site, non?
Ah, si, si, moi je l'ai vu.
Ou là, on a actif.
Ah non, moi je l'ai vu.
J'ai un site, non?
Mais c'est pas grave, tu sais ce qu'on va faire avec
Look here, my money, Mathieu.
Tu sais ce qu'on... Non.
My money, me have more. Maya, look for me. We go bank this morning or no? Maya, look. Jima, we go bank this morning or no? We go bank this morning or no? Yes, we go bank this morning. I draw 40 rand. Me just trying to show you see this pitney?
Are you trying to make
Of course, I'm trying to bush and see Maya ready to start ball. Remember me tell you? No, Matthew, I'm going to look to do money. Me get you no drunk, gonna buy a shop ball out of your money. Remember me tell you? You? Your daddy pick me for you. No, Matthew, I go walk up and down because more money in the bush. No money in the bush, no, Matthew.
Money in the bush, money.
Not have money in the bush. I say, money, she can do the same thing. Look here, no money in the bush. Look, come on, I'm throwing the money in the bush. You find one? Me throw the money in the bush and say, me I go prank you. No, say me catch you now. Alright, then, so then find one mushroom. Wait there. Ooh. Ah, wait.
Là, everywhere.
I find one this?
Mais not ready.
I'm looking for it. You see more or something?
C'est moi qui ai trouvé.
Bravo, Gemma. You have a whole heap of mushroom in the bush. So. But I don't eat mushroom. Yeah. Where we are going? In the bush now? Yeah, but what makes sense? Shirt champignon. We don't know which one are the good one from which one are the bad one. So guys, my prank work. My prank them, so I throw money in the bush. I see it work. Maya she start ball on the whole place. I fear her money. Matty him ready to search along the whole place. More money to get.
Arrête de parler de ça.
C'est team mommy. C'est team mommy.
Non.
C'est team mommy.
Non.
Okay, go. Oh, you have Wally Pam. Then why you? What me come out here now? Come Maya, on va aller passer par là. Viens Maya. Ne vois pas bouche. Encore? Then I find more mushroom. Matthew, I'm the only person in the family eat mushroom. I don't know if Jim or Maya eat mushroom. Maybe they had it at school, but I don't cook mushroom at home. But now they're on mushroom hunting. But that was a good little prank a while ago.